There was a time when the internet was chaos. Millions of pages, no organization, no direction. Finding information was like searching for a needle in a digital haystack. Until two young students created a tool that organized the world's knowledge and forever changed how we think. This is the story of Google. The discovery of Google. 1. The Internet before Google. In the early 1990s, the Internet was growing fast, but it had no real search engine. There were directories, basic engines, slow indexes, but nothing accurate. You might type a word and get 100 useless results. People needed a map, a guide, a way to make sense of the web. 2. Two students, one idea. At Stanford University, two PhD students, Larry Page and Sergey Brin, were paired together by chance. They disagreed on almost everything at first, but curiosity united them. Larry had a question. Can the entire internet be mathematically mapped? Sergey had the answer. Yes, but only if we rethink how search works. Together, they began an experiment. 3. The birth of PageRank. Larry and Sergey realized something radical. A web page's importance could be measured, not by how often it used keywords, but by how many other pages linked to it, like academic citations, like trust, like reputation. And so they created PageRank, a system that understood which pages people trusted most. The result? Better searches, cleaner results, smarter internet. But they needed a name. 4. The name Google. The word Google came from Google, the number 1 followed by 100 zeros. It symbolized their dream to organize an unimaginable amount of information. 5. The garage startup. In 1998, they launched Google from a friend's garage. Old computers, used desks, cables everywhere. But the search engine? Fast, accurate, unlike anything the world had seen. Within months, word spread. Emails flew between researchers. Use Google, it actually works. Soon, millions were typing a new phrase. Let me Google it. 6. Google takes over the world. As the internet grew, Google expanded with it. Gmail, Google Maps, YouTube, Android, Chrome, Cloud, AI. Google didn't just organize information, it organized modern life. It became a verb, a tool, a companion, a digital window to the world. Ending. From a dorm room idea to a company that shapes the future, Google's story is a reminder that great discoveries begin with curiosity. Two students asked how to make sense of the web. Their answer changed the world. This is the discovery of Google.
Hi everyone, I am your white fairy friend. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and share it with your friends.